Let's see, number 27, 6.2. What does it say? It says 25 to the, boy, my eyes are bad, 3 force power times 4 to the negative 3 force power squared. Now my order of operations says do what's inside the parentheses first. Well, inside the parentheses I notice I got a negative exponent. So I'm going to create a fraction. I'll throw all of this over 1. Now the part with the negative exponent, I'm going to take it opposite of where it's at in a fraction. So the 4 to the negative 3 fourths I'll take down below. And that gives us 25 to the 3 fourths over 4 to the 3 fourths to the second power. Nothing else to do up on top here, nothing to do on the bottom. I could merge these into a single fraction, but I'm going to take the route of when everything inside your parentheses is multiplication, division, you take everything to that, and you're raising it to a power, you take everything at power. So I'm going to take the top part to the second power and take the bottom part to the second power. So we're going to have 25 to the 3 fourths raised to the second power over 4 to the 3 fourths raised to the second power. Well, the 2 and 4 reduce. That gives me 1 there, and it gives me 2 there. The 2 and 4 gives me 1 there, and that gives me 2 there. So then this becomes 25 to the 3 halves power over 4 to the 3 halves power after I cancel. Well, now I can put them back in the radical form. So this would be the square root of 25 to the third power. Actually, is this a... I better look to see what section I'm in. Simplify expressions using the laws of exponents. Oh, okay, so we're not to the radical part yet. Never mind. 6.3 is the radical part. So since we're using rational exponents here, what we want to do is notice this is a fractional power with a numerator greater than 1. We want to take that number and put it on the outside of the parentheses. So this would be 25 to the 1/2 power raised to the third power over 4 to the 1/2 raised to the third power. Again, I just took the number up in the numerator and put it on the outside of the set of parentheses. Now we put them back temporarily. Well, in this case I'll get rid of them, but we put this back in radical form. So square 25 to the 1/2 is the square root of 25 to the third power over the square root of 4 to the third power. Now square root of 25, that's 5. 5 times 5 gives you 25. So we got 5 to the third over, and square root of 4 is 2, so we got 2 to the third. Well, 5 to the third, 5 times 5 is 25, times another 5 is 125. 2 to the third, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times another 2 is 8. So our answer would be 125 over 8. That would have been very similar if we had switched them directly to radicals, but since they were wanting us to focus on the rational exponents in this section, that's why I went that route. Now, I didn't merge these into a single fraction over here. And the reason why is it didn't matter in this problem, but on some problems it might. By putting them into a single fraction, it might screw it up to where it doesn't work out nice. So it's safe to be on the it's safe on these type problems is go ahead and apply this power first, and then merge them together if need be.